we're back at the farm. I thought I'd show you some little updates about what is happening in the kitchen. We're gonna be finishing up some little bits in here. And yeah, we can't do a full day here because it's already noon, but we had to go pick up some stuff. I'll go show you what we had to go pick up, which is really exciting. So we ordered a door for the kitchen. So I'll show you what it looks like. This is our door for the kitchen. So I wanted to have a window door without like
mullion windows.
Mullion?
I think that's what it's called, mullion.
Without, I didn't want to have to like clean a bunch of little square windows. I wanted like one full window, so it's a lot easier to clean. And then with the window there, it'll make that entryway a lot brighter. I'll show you, because like right now, it's a little on the dark
it's quite
side.
Bright with the glass there.
Yeah, so that's the door, right? And we're gonna put spotlights, like we said in the last vlog. We're gonna put spotlights here, which will make it brighter, but with the natural light coming in from the kitchen into this entryway, I think it's gonna look really nice. So that door is gonna go in soon, which is very exciting. Not today though, because we still have to wait.
We're waiting for Ironmongery.
What, next week we'll get it?
They said early February, so it's like
Early February.
So a week or so.
So we already ordered all of the handles and everything, so we're just waiting for that to come in, and then we can put the door up, which is really exciting. But Craig also, let me turn down the radio. Craig started doing the tiling backsplash, and it looks really good. So that's it there. So he did that the other day, and the glue is all set. So now he's just going to cut out the little bits and put those in on the sides. And we're gonna get like a gray grout to go in there.
We're debating on dark grey or a lightish kind of grey, I don't know.
This is the winter I always expected when I moved here, and I never got it until now. So 5 years into living here, I'm finally experiencing the winter I always thought I would have. Normally, cause like usually it's like after Christmas, it like just starts to warm up, but that's not happening this year. It's just icy every single day, and it's been like that for what, almost 2 months now.
It's just been just a typically colder than normal winter.
Yeah, so it says, like when you look up the temperature, it's like, oh, it's 2 degrees Celsius, but then it'll say, feels like -3. It's like, well, yeah, it definitely does. It's very, very cold. So, so yeah, I'm just going to try and warm up. So I think I'm gonna start doing some work with my coat on, because then I can just warm up, and then I'll eventually take it off. But yeah, I'll keep you posted on how that goes. And maybe we can show you the cows who are around the farm. That'd be nice. I'll ask Greg.
Just climb over the gap there, you can see some.
What?
I don't know.
Go in here. Oh dear. Oh.
Holland has been clearing it for you, for your winter garden. Oh, your garden eventually.
Is this gonna be my garden?
If you want it to be.
That'd be cool. Oh, ideas I could have of what I could plant. I need to research what will grow here and what won't, because there's a lot of stuff I can't find in the stores.
You like the bridge here?
Oh, a bridge? Oh my goodness. It's like some of the ground is hard and some of it is soft.
I think it's more for the geese, but...
That's not a bridge.
more like a death trap.
Yeah.
Do you want to drive in the tractor?
Yeah.
I'll go get my tractor.
We're going on the tractor. Okay, I need to focus. He's taking me to a spot on the farm I've never been to, he says. All right, does it open towards me? Nope, it opens away from me. Oh, we gotta lift it.
Ultimate 4-wheel drive.
Oh my goodness.
You want your fancy jumping in that water?
No, thank you.
Why, man?
Because I don't fancy freezing to death.
You wouldn't freeze to death.
Yes, I would.
Check
Great.
regards.
My fingers are numb right now. Check it out! Boop burn! Whoop whoop!
There's your gears, there's the ranges, here's your forwards and back shuttle. Okay?
Okay.
Clutch in. Put it into 2. That's it. And then push that forwards. Okay? Take off the clutch and slowly and you'll take off.
Where are you going?
I'm staying here.
Okay. Let's stay there. Off slowly. I am going slowly. Do I need to accelerate?
A little bit of throttle, but not much. Okay, a little bit more throttle.
Oh, I feel it. Okay, oh my god. You guys. I'm driving the tractor.
A little bit more throttle.
Great, take the camera. Oh, okay. Not too much, very slowly. We're gonna accelerate a bit. Oh my gosh.
How's homegirl feeling driving a piece of agricultural equipment?
Cool. We're driving a tractor.
There, you went there.
Sorry for the bumpy video, guys, but I'm driving a tractor.
I'm kind of hanging out the door because I'm too big to sit on that little seat there where Alexis was sitting. Homegirl's driving.
Woo! Howdy, partners! Is that the right thing to say?
Well, you'll be a cowgirl. Or a cowpoke, I don't know.
A cow what?
Cowpoke?
What's a cowpoke?
I don't know. I hear cowboys saying it in movies.
No. It's in the movies. How do I stop?
Clutch in,
Punch in.
off the throttle, there
Off
you go.
the throttle.
And then brake.
Both of them?
Huh?
Whoa. Now what?
Take out a gear like you would a car.
Okay.
And then that shuttle put in the middle.
The shuttle. This thing.
That's
Okay.
it.
And I let go?
Huh? Handbrake on.
Handbrake. Okay.
Shoot.
Oh, I drove the tractor! That was fun. We're gonna drive through that.
And I would scream louder than anyone in there, I think.
You're in like the ultimate 4x4.
I know, I'm just really afraid. It looks like we would just sink. Oh my gosh. Whoa!
So I want to take
Oh my gosh. Oh, lordy. There's a lot of holes.
It's off-road.
Oh,
There isn't really a road.
oh. Oh, oh.
You bump your head.
No, I bumped the camera.
Enjoy that little...
I did, that was so fun. But now, time to get some work done on the house. So, I'll see you guys later.